time we're going to do Faimon Volcano Hill mode. We're going to see which one of my monsters can solo it. So we'll try with Tyron. We'll just chuck 3 fodder monsters in with him. Chuck those 3. Let's get this started. We'll do this full auto as well. I'll go through the stats of my Tyron after this. So he's not quite level 40. Alright, so far so good. Not really soloing it, it keeps doing that. I'll run it again without my bird. Oh, that's the worst setup as well. That's dead. No armor breaks yet. That one. Yep, so it looks like Tyron can solo this. I'll just do it again and get rid of bird so it doesn't give me any extra attacks. Right, so replay this. Get rid of that. I want to share the XP. Chuck that one in. There we go. They shouldn't add any additional support. I guess I'll take 1 hit. Right, full auto again. Nice, he starts with the freeze wall. Freezes half of them. Not so good. He would hailstorm right on the very last one. Oh, both my AoE's gone. Oh, that was a nice lot of attacks there. I guess it makes up for him using all the AoEs. Zero stun. One down, 4 to go. Oh, I got armor broke. All stunned. Armor broke. Oh, it's pretty close. So there we go. That's 2 for 2. We'll just do it one more time. And then I'll go through the runes for him. Right, let's see if we can do it a 3rd time. Nice, starting with the AoE. Right. Another AoE, I see. Nice, all stun. Just hope he doesn't break my armor. Good. Now Now we need some AoE stuns. Oh, you better stun them all. Good. Stun. That's pretty good, pretty good. That's the boss. And there we go, 3 for 3. Right, let's show you his runes. Just about level 40. Runes. There he is. So those are his stats there. So he has quite a bit of speed, not too much attack. Accuracy is pretty good. Alright, and skills. So he has max skills as well. And he also has that speed leader. Alright, so that's a slot 1. So speed, accuracy, HP substats. Slot 2 there. Slot 3, huge speed. Here we go. HP. Pretty good rune there. And another one with speed subset. So he's Despair Focus. And he farms Faimon Volcano Hill mode pretty easy. So if you like this video and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Also post in the comments below what monster you want to see me run Faimon Volcano Hill mode with. Cheers.